Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to unbox the Ulanzi G9-4. So let's get started. So the box comes with a normal packaging, no seal, nothing. It's an open box. As you can see, the MRP is 1990 rupees. Okay, let's unbox it. So we have this bubble wrap, cage and label, qualified certificate from Ulanzi. Okay, so this is the plastic cage, Ulanzi G9-4. There's nothing to talk much about it, but let's see about the quality. So this is completely built of plastic. This is how you open the cage for the main screen, the touch screen of the GoPros, and this is the go through door, the charging door. So you have to put this camera inside this thing, lock it up from both the ends. That's it. This is the case which I use only on motovlogs. For an example, I'll also show you a mic adapter for which this compartment has been made for. This is the compartment. So here we have a mic adapter 3.5, and this is the cage. So this slides back inside the compartment, the wire comes out, it's a USB type C, and here you can plug it. Okay, let me show you how it looks on a helmet. So this is my helmet which I'm using right now for the motovlogs. We already have a chin mount installed with an M seal right here on the chin. Okay, so what you are going to need is cage, mic adapter, a microphone, a J mount. This is called the J mount, and a thumb screw, the shorter one. So this is how you fix it. So this is it guys, this is how it looks on the helmet. You can adjust it by moving the thumb screw and the mic adapter inside this. So this is how it looks. Okay, there's nothing much to say about it. It's a simple plastic cage made for GoPro Hero 9, 10 and 11. You also get this cage in metal, which will cost you around 8,000 rupees something, 7,000, 8,000 rupees on Amazon, but I prefer to go with the plastic cage. It's very less expensive. It is 4,000 rupees in a local market in Mumbai, so better to go for the plastic one. if you're not using it in harsh conditions. So that's it guys, thank you for watching, see you soon.